Today we are learning about polygons. Please copy down the standard benchmark indicator on a clean page in your math notebook. The student will identify, classify, and describe the characteristics of plane figures, describing their similarities, differences, and defining properties. Polygon vocabulary. A parallelogram is a polygon with two pairs of parallel sides. A square has four congruent sides and four right angles. A circle, while not technically a polygon, is included in here because it's one of the shapes we're going to be studying in this unit, is a curved line. It does not have any straight line segments, and it does not have any sides or angles. And a hexagon is a six-sided polygon. A decagon is a 10-sided polygon. A trapezoid is a polygon with four sides and only one set of parallel sides. The sides are not congruent. A rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides, all sides the same length, or congruent. A quadrilateral is any polygon with four sides. A rectangle has four sides. The opposite sides are parallel and congruent, and it has four right angles. Adjacent means next to something. Congruent means exactly the same size and shape. And similar means same shape but not the same size. Polygons. A polygon is a closed figure made of line segments. Polygons are classified by the number of sides they have. A triangle is a polygon with three sides. In a regular polygon, all sides and all the angles have the same measures. Here in our example, we have examples of irregular and regular polygons for each of the ones listed on the left. So a quadrilateral has four sides. We can see under the irregular polygon that the sides are not the same length, where in the regular polygon, all sides of the quadrilateral are the same length. A pentagon has five sides, a hexagon has six sides, and an octagon has eight. And for each one, they've given us an irregular example, where the sides are not the same length, and a regular example where all the sides and all the angles are the same. For the example, we need to name the polygon and tell whether it is regular or irregular. The polygon has five sides, so it is a pentagon. Its sides and angles are equal, so it is regular. So this polygon is a regular pentagon. So for the triad, we're going to name each polygon and tell if it is regular or irregular. For A, if we count all our sides, we have 8 sides, which means it's an octagon. All 8 sides are exactly the same length, so we have a regular octagon. For B, if we count our sides, we have 6 sides, so we know it's a hexagon, and the sides are not the same length, so we have an irregular hexagon. For C, we have a triangle, and we know looking at it that all 3 sides are not the same length, so we have an irregular triangle. For D, we have a 4-sided shape, so we know it's a quadrilateral. We can tell by looking at it that the 4 sides are not the same length, so we have an irregular quadrilateral. For E, we again have 6 sides, and this time they're all the same length. So now we have a regular hexagon. Finally, for F, we have a 5-sided shape, so we have a pentagon, and we can tell the 5 sides are not the same length, so we have an irregular pentagon. Please make sure you have all the answers copied down and glue all the sheets, including the vocabulary we went over at the beginning of the lesson, in your math notebook.